Hi guys, my name is David and this is my mom Sabina.
Hello everyone. Today we're making something for
Cookies.
Pulp cakes.
Pulp cakes.
Pulp cakes for Hag Shavuot. And we have here something that left from Pesach.
Yeah.
Some
Coconut cookies.
Yeah, and vanilla.
And vanilla.
Yeah. What else we have here, Levi? What is it?
This is a butter.
Yes.
This is chocolate.
Yes. And then we have some
Coconut.
Yes, some coconut. Yes, some concert milk. And some, it's from nuts, like nut flour. Okay.
First, we have to boil chocolate.
Yeah. So put chocolate in the...
Put chocolate. Second, crush cookies with coconut and vanilla.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, very nice. We add condensed milk, 2 cookies with vanilla and coconut. Ooh, very nice. Oh, I've got my keeper. Now add butter. We add some chocolate. We add almond flour. Now let me make cake pops. 1, 2. Put a cake pops with coconut or chocolate. I put stick in chocolate and then put in cake pops.
Mm-hmm.
We put cake pops in fridge. But I have one.